As we move closer to completion, we're pleased to share a quick update on the steady progress at Heritage 100. Glazing is now in full swing, with windows being fitted across the blocks, bringing in more light and giving shape to each living space. Inside the apartments, tiling works are progressing unit by unit. High-quality ceramics are being laid with precision in kitchens, bathrooms, and shared areas. In the kitchens, cabinetry installation has begun. These custom units are designed for both function and style, aligning with the clean, modern aesthetic promised from the start. Ceiling-mounted fixtures and recessed lighting are also being installed. Our electricians are now completing the final wiring and fittings to prepare each home for handover. And outside, scaffolding is now in place around the building. This allows us to begin work on the external facade, an exciting step as we bring the project's architecture to life. We are working tirelessly to complete your amazing home at Heritage 100. So stay tuned, watch the magic happen. Thank you for being part of this journey. We look forward to sharing more updates with you very soon.